Okay, so let's get right into it. We had a listener ask for a quick but really thorough look at the Blustream WMF51 wireless multi-view presenter.
Hmm.
And this isn't just, another simple box you plug in. This thing is designed to tackle what is probably the biggest headache in any modern meeting room.
The bring your own device problem.
Exactly. The absolute chaos of everyone walking in with a different laptop, a different phone.
That's right. So our mission here is really to understand how this one device manages to unify all of that, Apple, Android, PC, and turn it into a single seamless experience.
So we're diving into the WMF51's key specs. We're talking wireless support, its scaling power, and the collaboration tools to see if it really is this central piece of tech they claim.
Let's do it.
Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting for me. The compatibility. I mean, it supports all the big wireless protocols you'd expect. You've got AirPlay, Miracast, Chromecast.
All the native ones.
Right, but then they also have their own plug-and-play dongles, a USB-C and an HDMI version.
Which just makes it foolproof.
Yeah, and it takes all of that, this huge variety of inputs, and funnels it all down to just one single HDMI output.
But that variety raises a really important question, right? What about the quality? If you have all these different devices streaming, how do you make sure what's on the big 4K screen actually looks good?
And that's where the scaler comes in. It has a 4K video scaler built right in.
And it supports output timing all the way up to 4K, 60 Hertz, 4.4.4.
Wait, let's just pause on that. 4.4.4. That means you're getting full color information. So if you're looking at, I don't know, a detailed spreadsheet or medical images.
You're not losing any visual data. It optimizes the source for the display no matter what device it came from.
That is seriously impressive. But okay, what makes it a multi-view presenter? What happens when 2 or 3 people need to present at once?
That's the other part of the magic. It lets you show up to 4 different video sources on the screen at the same time.
Oh, with configurable layouts.
Yeah, configurable layouts. It makes comparing content side by side, say, for competitive analysis or something, just dead simple.
So it's more than just viewing. They've actually built in real collaboration features.
Absolutely. I mean, you get whiteboard and screen annotation, which is becoming pretty standard. But the key feature here, the one that really changes things, is the USB 3.0 touchback.
And what does that mean in practice?
It means if you connect your laptop with one of the dongles or with Miracast, you can walk up to the interactive display in the room and control your laptop from the display.
So you can advance your slides, open a file.
Exactly, directly from the screen without ever going back to your device. That's a huge benefit for presenters.
And for the people installing it, it seems like control is pretty flexible. You've got front panel, RS-232, TCP/IP.
And a web interface for all the deep configuration. It covers all the bases.
Let's talk about how this thing actually connects to the world.
Okay, so if you're just having a quick meeting, the unit can act as its own 2.4 or 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. It basically creates its own little wireless bubble for point-to-point connections.
And for more permanent setup, a proper integration.
That's where the dual LAN connections come in. There's a 1,000 Mbps port for your main network traffic and a 100 Mbps one.
But the really fascinating part, and I think installers are going to love this, is the power solution. It supports PoE.
Class 0 IE 802.3 AF PoE, yeah.
So one single Ethernet cable from a compatible network switch provides both data and power.
That's it. No separate power brick, no extra cable clutter behind the display. Just cleans everything up instantly. And don't forget the little extras like an analog audio breakout and a 5-year warranty.
So to wrap this all up, what does this mean for you? The Blustream WMF51 is, well, it's this incredible, powerful presentation hub. It's designed to handle pretty much any device you throw at it, scale it beautifully to 4K, and give you these advanced collaboration tools like touchback.
And that streamlined power via PoE is a game changer for installation. This convergence of power, control, and universal compatibility makes it a true single-box room integrator. I think for you, the key takeaway is just how many different jobs, a switcher, a scaler, a hotspot, an annotator, are now being done by this one device.
It's consolidation.
It is, which leaves you with a provocative thought. When you consolidate that many functions into one product, how much actual time, budget, and frankly, complexity does that save your install team when they have to deploy this across, say, an entire campus or a corporate headquarters?